1, 2, 3, go.
What's your favorite dessert? What ingredients do you need to make it?
You need graham cake, Nestle cream, and pineapple.
How do you make it?
First, you should arrange the graham flakes on the plate. After that, put the cream. Next, put again another layer of graham flakes. Then serve it. Pineapple on
Okay, next, last pair.
May bago po sa ano? May bago po.
What's your favorite dessert?
Rice papaya with chocolate.
What ingredients do you need to make it?
Rice papaya. You need rice papaya, water, and then
How do you make it?
well, first you need to fill up after that make a square shape and a heart shape you want and like that. Next, put the rice papaya in. Then lastly mix the condensed milk with it and cheese.
What's your favorite snack? What ingredients do you need to make it?
You need to prepare banana, sugar, and banana seeds.
How do you make it?
Well, first you need to peel the banana. After that, put sugar on it. Next, you will fry it. Then you will put it in the banana seeds. And lastly,